Hello everybody, welcome back to another great review. Today we are going to be reviewing the RB9 by Weelyte. This is a fantastic LED light and I'm going to be covering the durability, I'm going to be covering the features, the app, and a few other great things, so stay tuned for that. Please leave a comment down below if you've got an LED light for video or for photo you'd like to share, or maybe some comments on the video. I really do appreciate it. Leave a like on this video by smashing that like button down below, and smash that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, and check out my tech reviews playlist where I've reviewed other LED lights similar to this one. So thank you for joining me. Let's dive into the review. And I would like to first cover the fact that this LED light is a very premium experience over my previous VL81 Vijim light. Now I've had this for over a year. It's been great for my photos and videos, but it's not without its problems. So let's go ahead and cover some of it. First of all, the RB9 is made out of a full metal body, so it's nice and sturdy. I'm sure if you drop it a few times by accident, it'll hold up for you. Now, I've dropped the Vijim a few times, and it's not holding up too well, I can tell you right now. And inside of it, the potentiometer, the thing that allows it to become brighter and dimmer, has broken on all three of my VL81 lights, so it's a pretty consistent problem across the spectrum. The thing I like about this is instead of the potentiometer, you have the buttons to press, and it has one built on the inside, so that's nice. I'm sure if you don't get this wet, it'll probably hold up pretty well for you. Now this unit here can go all the way up to 100%. Right now, this is 100. And if we go ahead and change it with the minus button down to 1%, get it down there, and there it is, 1%. You can see the difference in the glow. So this is really nice. You can see here it's got a nice flat panel of the LED lights. Vijim offers a similar model, but you could see in some of the reviews that they were having issues with the unit not holding up over time. So if this unit doesn't hold up over time, I'll let you know in the comment section down below. It does come with some cool features. So you see this refraction over here. You can actually remove that with the silicone cover that it comes with, and that will take care of that refraction that you're going to see in the light. That's really nice. It's got the punch out holes here for mounting, and you can still access the buttons, which is fantastic. It comes with some great additional features if you plan on using the app. Now in the description below, I will leave a comment down there showing you how to connect the device to the app and get it to work harmoniously. It's a little bit complicated. The instructions aren't that clear when it covers it, but it does share some good material. So if you have any questions, quite a bit of it will be answered in here. And then it's got a warranty card. It comes with a standard USB cable for charging. Now I recommend a charging brick that will do at least 2.4 amps. That's because even using my 120 watt Xiaomi charger, which regulated to probably around the 12 watt charging, took 3 hours. It took 3 hours to charge it through the USB Type-C cable. So from 0 to 100%, you're going to be expecting a 3-hour charge time. From 50%, probably closer to the hour, hour and a half. But mine came fully discharged. Yours might come 50% charged. I don't know for what reason they didn't charge it, but it's better for the battery to be stored between 50 and 80% over time than it is to just have it be discharged sitting in a box somewhere. So if you're going to store this light and not use it for long periods of time, make sure that you leave it partially charged, halfway charged. Now let's go ahead and move on here. I'm going to dive into the app, so let's go ahead and open that up. Here is the Weelyte app. Now it's pretty simple. You can change the channel here at the top by tapping on that, and you can change the group section to A. I have it set to 1A. Pretty simple. Channel 1, group A. Now down here you're able to change the color of the light to whatever you want. Now what's really interesting about this is I don't have the device paired on my Bluetooth list. But basically, once it's connected, you can use this to change the light remotely. Super cool. Now, see, I can be over here in the purple. I can change it to green, the yellow, and there's all kinds of cool scenes you can change it to. I can change it to like a fake fire, which you can change the speed and simulate maybe a little bit of a fire. You can change it to the grasslands, which is the green. You can change it to the aurora, which is kind of the purple. It'll fluctuate between like a deeper purple to a blue, which is also kind of cool. So if we shine this upward, you can kind of see it's got a really wide angle of light. So this light is emitting not just directly in front of you, but off to the sides. Now that the app is working well, anytime I connect this, turn it on, get it going, it all works out pretty well. So that's cool. Now here on the back side, you don't need to use the app. It has a small LCD. In the description of the manual, it says it's an OLED display, but it's clearly an LCD display. So here on the LCD display, you can change all of these settings. I'll kind of show you a couple features here. You can change the mode. You can see there. And these different modes are kind of fun to play with. This has a range of 2500 Kelvin, which is a very warm light, all the way up to 8500. So we're going to go ahead and change this up to the 8500 mark. Let me go ahead and change it here. Oh, there we go. We're going to click on set. And now we can change the Kelvin. So once it's flashing, you can change the different settings. So we're going to go brighter. We're going to go for the white light. And you can see now it's a very white light. And then we're going to go ahead and change it back to the warmer color. And you can see the skin tones really begin to pop more. So I'm definitely more of a fan of the warmer tones for skin tones. I will do video walkthroughs for people's homes, or I'll go do some photography. I like to have the whiter light for the really white homes. And then for the warmer tones, the woods, I really like the richer, warmer color. So this is really nice. It has the what they call nut holes. These are 1/4 inch mounting holes here on the side, and it also has one on the bottom. What's great about that is it actually comes with, let's see here, comes with these attachments. So you can actually attach the Weelyte base here to the bottom and screw that in, and it will mount nicely for you, just like so. So you can set it aside and mount it. Another thing that's really cool is it has this adjustable arm, so you can actually go ahead and attach your smartphone here. There's a little 1/4 inch thread there on the bottom. This is adjustable, so you can change the angle, and then these little arms will pop up for you, and it has a spring-loaded mechanism to mount your smartphone and then hold the LED light in place for you as well. So very cool. It's got some nice features that come with it. It's not just an LED light in a box. Now the issue I had with the Vijim isn't so much that it's not necessarily bright enough. You can see they're both pretty bright, but the Vijim didn't hold up over time. And I've noticed in the comment section other people making comments on their higher end units, like this one that has the RGB feature, not holding up. So keep your warranty in hand. If I have any issues, I'll let you know back on this video. So another cool feature is if you actually hold the M button down and then turn it on, it will take you right to this power bank option where you can charge your phone off of it and use it as a battery bank. If you're trying to use this as a backup, only use it for emergencies. Now another thing you can do when you turn this on is pressing down the set button and turn on the unit as well. And that will take you to the overheating option, which you can turn on. So it will protect itself if it gets too hot from running for too long. So instead of purchasing 2 or 3 of these little lights, one of these will do plenty fine. It will cover a huge amount of ground. Put your cover on there and you're on your way. The difference in how that looks, just incredibly bright. Now this is bright, but this is like Huge difference. It's day and night how much brighter this is. So that is my review for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to leave a like down below and comment. In the video description, there will be a link to find this unit, and I will post it in there. If you'd like to donate to the channel to support me, I'd really appreciate it. Check out my PayPal link down below. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for checking in, and happy video shooting. Take care.